A very good morning, students. So today again we are going to start with set concept, and this is the third session of this chapter. So in today's session we are going to see the types of set and its different examples. So let us start with types of set. So there are different types of set. Your first set is finite set. So what is finite set? You can understand by the term finite means there are some limit in it. So basically definition of finite set is a set is said to be a finite set if it has some limit. If it has some limited number of elements. Clear? A set is said to be a finite set if it has some limited number of elements in it. For example, S is a set and S set of natural numbers. S is a set and set of natural numbers between 10 and 15. So S is equals to set of natural number between 10 and 15. This is your example, and if we will make this set, it will be like this: 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay? Why? Because we have to take the numbers in between, excluding these numbers. So 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here you can see that some limit has been given to you. So this is called a finite set. I hope it is very clear to you that what is the meaning of finite set. So now I hope you have understood finite set. The second kind of set is infinite set. Infinite set. So in finite set there was a limit. Now in infinite set, what will be the definition? Set is said to be infinite set, infinite or uncountable. Okay, both are the same thing, infinite or uncountable. A set is said to be infinite or uncountable set if it has unlimited number of elements in it. a set is said to be infinite or uncountable set if it has unlimited number of elements in it. Okay, now let us take an example. For example, suppose P is there. This is the name of set, and this is set of prime numbers. Clear? So what is prime numbers? There is no limit that are given in the prime numbers, so we will take 2, 3, 5, then 7 and so on. It will go up till infinity. First, understand what are prime numbers. The numbers which are being divided by 1 or by itself is called a prime number. I hope it is very clear. So here you can see there is no limit, so it is going up till infinity. So this is called the infinite set. Look at the board. I hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next kind of set. So now our third kind of set is empty set or you can even name it as null set. So by the term empty means there is no elements in it. So the definition is a set which has no elements in it is called empty or null set. Let's take an example. For example, let A is equals to a set. Let A is a set, a man above 400 years. Okay. So now here you can see that example is given. Let A is a set and in which it is written a man above 400 years. So nowadays the age limit of a person is only 120. So we cannot define any man above 400 years. So this is a empty set. Okay. Because nowadays no man is living more than 120 years. That is why this is empty set and it is represented like this, or you have to represent a null set, so it is represented like this. So these are the symbol of representing a empty or a null set. Clear? Look at the board. Now we will move on to the next set. Now our next kind of set is a disjoint set. Now let us see what is the meaning of disjoint sets. So sets having no elements in common are called disjoint set. let's see an example. For example, set P having number 5, 6, 7 and 9. Okay, and set Q is having a number 4, 8, then 10, 12. Clear? So now you can see that in both the set there is no common elements in it. So P, therefore P and Q are disjoint set. Clear? This is the proper way of defining a set. I hope you have understood what is a disjoint set. Look at the board. Then we are moving on to the next kind of set. So now our next kind of set is joint or overlapping set. So what do you mean by joint or overlapping set? This is defined as a set having at least one element in common are called joint or overlapping set. Let's see an example. For example, set P is having a number, suppose 2, 4, then 6, 8, 10 and 12. Okay? And then set Q is having a number 5, 6, 7, then 9, then 12. So here you can see P is having a number 6 and 12. Okay, that same number is in set Q also, 6 and 12. So 6 and 12 are common in both P and Q. So it is a joint set. I hope you have understood. Let's see the next kind of set. Look at the board first, then we are moving on to the next kind of set. Now our next kind of set is equal set. So what do you mean by the equal set? Let's see a definition first. Two sets are said to be equal two sets are said to be equal if it has both if the elements of both the sets are same. If the elements of both the sets are same. Clear? Now let's see an example. For example, set A is X, Y and Z. Okay? And set B is last three English alphabet. Okay, so set A is containing alphabets X, Y and Z, and set B is also containing last three English alphabet, which is X, Y and Z only. Clear? So we will write like this. Therefore set A is equals to set B. Clear? I hope you have understood. Look at the board. Then for this session, the last is the equivalent set. Now our last set is equivalent set. Equivalent set. Sets. Clear? Now we have already seen 6 kinds of sets. This is sets. Clear? What we have seen previously, those are the finite set, infinite set, empty set, then disjoint sets, joint sets and equal sets. Now we will see equivalent sets. So equivalent set is defined as two sets are said to be equivalent two sets are said to be equivalent if they have equal number, if they have equal number of elements in it. That is, their cardinal numbers are same. Cardinal number are same. And what do you mean by cardinal number? Cardinal number is the number of elements containing in a set. Now for example, let A is the set of numbers 3, 6 and 9, and B is a set of the alphabets A, B and C. So now here you can see that in A also there are 3 elements and in B also there are 3 elements. So A and B are equivalent set. Clear? And this is how you represent the equivalent set. Okay? And you can even represent like this also, according to the cardinal number n within bracket A and n within bracket B. So these are the two representation of the equivalent set. I hope it is very clear to you. So today we will finish with this session. Okay, I will give you the question which is very easy based on these explanation which I have told you in this session. Okay, and solve the exercise. If you will get any difficulty, then do ask me. Okay, so thank you. Have a great day.